I hope you did.
Okay, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so I want to do something with camera.
Okay, here, let me turn it off.
Watch this, ready? And I can do it multiple times too.
So I'm at the end of converting my son's bedroom into a guest bedroom. My oldest son stayed in this room when we first moved to Iowa, and then he has been in Peru for about 1.5 years, and he came and stayed with us for a year. He's now moved to Virginia. We moved him there just this past week, and I'm in a super rush to get his room turned into a more comfortable guest room. My sister-in-law and my nieces are coming for just a quick visit, and I want to make sure they're super comfortable and have a place to rest once they get here. So I am hoping to be done in the next couple hours. I bought some new sheets and some new bedding. I washed those and they're hanging on the line, so once they're done I'll get the beds made up. And basically it's just kind of a bunch of random stuff that I have to get put away or figure out what to do with. Computer speakers, things like that that my son didn't need to take with him, but maybe I can pack up or something. Anyhow, so I will hopefully be revealing today. I have today to get this done. I still have to finish my basement. Plus, you know how it is when you start a project and now like the rest of the house is falling apart, like none of the laundry's done, the dishes aren't getting done. I barely scraped dinner together yesterday because I've just been working on getting these projects done during the summer while we have time. And so I'm really excited to get some things off my shoulders, off my checklist over the past week, and this room is one of them. And then of course my basement, which if you haven't watched those videos, it's taken 3 days to finish one room, and I still have another room to do, which I'm hoping to wrap up this room and work on my son's bedroom, just getting it spruced up since we're gonna have guests. And maybe tomorrow, which is Saturday, I'll be able to work in the basement. So anyhow, stay tuned, and my next video should just, my reveal will be next. My reveal will be next.